students. Today we are going to start with the question number 11. Here are the three partners. Isha, Saraswati and Lakshmi are the partners sharing profit and loss in the proportion of the opening capital. On 1/4/2016, balances of their fixed capital account were 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. And they have also given here the current account balance also. Current account balance: Isha 5,000 credit, Saraswati 4,000 credit and Lakshmi 3,000 debit. Students, let us pass this entry first. See here, this is the balance you are going to write by balance brought down. The date here is on 31/4/2016. Here are the capital already given in the question, that is 40,000, 40,000 and 20,000. Next they have given the current balance. Students, partners current account, current balance, credit balance on the credit side and debit balance on the debit side. So Isha's credit balance by balance 5,000, credit balance of Saraswati they have given 4,000, but debit balance of Lakshmi, so you are going to write here to balance brought down, that is 3,000. So here are the balances of fixed capital and the balances of the current capital. Now the next point given here is an total drawing of the partners during the year is 20,000. So this is the drawing, total drawing, and they have given distributed this drawing in the ratio 2:1:2. Okay students, so next step here is you are going to distribute 20,000 in the ratio 2:2, 2:1:2. So that is 8,000, 4,000 and 8,000. So that you are going to show drawing. Drawing is always written on the debit side of the partner's current account. So you will write here to drawing. Clear? So that is 8,000, 4,000 and 8,000. Clear? Now the next year is given that on 36/2016 Isha has lent 3,000. This is a loan. They are talking about loan, students. And on 1/10/2016 2,000 to the firm in the form of loan. They have given in the form of loan. On 30/11/2016 Lakshmi has introduced an additional capital. Students, keep in mind, see here the loan points are given. So we are not including the loan in P&L appropriation or in the partner's current account. Loan entry, interest on loan is given in the P&L account, and the loan lent by the partners are given in the balance sheet liability side. So there is no need to show this entry in this three account, and the P&L appropriation or partners capital or partners current account. Student, before also I told you, rest all the entries related with the partners comes in these three accounts only, except loan. Again I am repeating that all the entries related with the partners comes in this three account only, except loan and interest on loan. Interest on loan entry is given in the P&L account, and loan is written on the liability side of the balance sheet. Now the next item is given that they have introduced additional capital on 30/11. And who have introduced? Lakshmi, not this other. They have introduced the capital introduced by this Lakshmi. So additional capital you can write and you can show here as a 12,000. So students, keep in mind, while calculating the interest on capital, you have to keep in mind on 20,000 whole year depreciation, but for 12,000 you have to give the interest, sorry, not depreciation, interest on capital. On 20,000 you have to calculate for the whole year, and for the additional capital for how many months? 12, 1, 2, 3. So for 4 months. Clear? So next point is that only to calculate 10% interest on capital. See here student, 10% per annum interest on capital means they are talking about the opening capital, this 40,000. So 40,000, 10% is 4,000. Here also 4,000. Here 2,000. And for 12,000 6 months. See, 4 months. Yeah, I have calculated 12,000 into 10 upon 100 into 4 upon 12. That is a 400 plus 2,000 of total year. So just write here now by interest on capital. By interest on capital 4,000. Here also 4,000. And here 2,400. Student, how 2,400 comes? 2,000 plus additional interest 400. In this way you got 2,400. Now this entry you are going to write here as 2 interest on capital. I am writing the initial student Isha, Saraswati and Lakshmi. 4,000, 4,000, 2,400 and total you are going to write here 10,400. The next step given here in the question is respectively 8,500 and 700 are to be recorded as an interest on drawing. So we are going to write here, here interest on drawing by 2 interest on drawing. Now there is no need to calculate, ready-madely they have given 800, 500 and 700. And this entry you are going to pass here as by interest on drawing, ISOL, 800, 500 and 700, 2,000. Clear? So next step here given is 8% interest on the opening capital of the current account. Now 8% on the opening capital. Opening capital means here you can see 2 balances are on the credit side and 1 balance on the debit side. So this is an entry for the interest on current account. And how much it is? 8%. It is 8%. And that will be 400 and 320 dash. Clear? And here interest of this you are going to write to interest on current account dash dash and 3,000, 8% you are going to write here as 240. Now reverse entry, this entry will be written on the debit side. So you are going to write here by interest on current account 8%. So 240. This side you are going to write to interest on current account of rest 2 partner, that is Isha and Saraswati, 400 and 320. We're going to add and write it here. Clear students? So this entry is passed. Now let us see what is given in the question. From 1/11/2016, monthly salary of rupees 800 is payable to Isha. See here from 1/11. 11 means 11 months, 12, 1, 2, 3 means for 5 months they are going to pay salary to Isha. So you are going to write by salary. 5 months means 800 into 5. I am repeating, 800 into 5, that is 4,000. You are going to write the Isha's side. And this entry you are going to give effect here as a to salary. To whom? Isha. 4,000. Clear students? Now what is left? The last point left. 3,500 transfer as a divisible profit are to be transferred for the building fund. So you have to write here 3,500 transfer to building fund. And second effect you are going to give on the liability side of the balance sheet, building fund. Clear? And the next point is given here. Just see here, profit for the year ending on 31st/3/2017 before incorporation of the above mentioned adjustment, but after incorporation of the effect of interest on Isha's loan. It means in this is a net profit in which interest on loan is already been calculated. Interest on loan is already calculated, means effect is already given. So you are going to take this as a net profit directly. But if in the question it is mentioned that interest on Isha's loan is not given, not effect is not given, so that time you are going to deduct it. But now you can directly show it as a 20,880 as a net profit. So you will write here by profit 20,880. Clear, students? Now you are going to close it. As you are going to close, the total is 23,120, and now you are going to distribute this in their profit sharing ratio, which is given already, 2:1. So Isha, Saraswati and Lakshmi, it is distributed 1800, 1800 and 900, and this total you are going to write here as a 4500. This is the balance. Now this entry you are going to pass where? Here, by in the partner's current account, by profit and loss appropriation, 1800, 1800 and 900. Now you are going to total this side. Okay, students, so here you will get the total 10,120. Here you are going to get the total. Clear? Now you have to find the balance here, students. You have to find the balance. So from this total you have to deduct this. So you will get the balance. To balance, carry it down. So you will get the difference. 8,800 you have to deduct from this. You will get 6,400. In the same way, 4,500 you have to deduct from this. You will get 5,620. And this side, if you will calculate, you will get the more balance, 11,940. This is more than this. From this you deduct 2,400 and minus 900. You will get the balance this side. So students, you can see the difference. For the two partners you got the balance on the debit side, and for one partner you got the balance on the credit side. So these two are going to be written on the liability side of the balance sheet, whereas this is going to be written on the asset side of the balance sheet. Clear, students? So this is some sketch, and just do it in your notebook.